Have you ever pondered what makes a nation powerful on the global stage? What defines a country's influence over others? In the grand theatre of international relations, power is the protagonist, but it's no monolith. Power wears many faces, each playing a unique role in shaping the dynamics of global interactions. Take a moment to envisage the first type of power, military power. It's the raw physical might of a nation. It's the tanks, the troops, the nuclear warheads. Military power is a nation's ability to defend its interests, deter adversaries, and if necessary, impose its will by force. The size, quality, and strategic doctrine of a country's armed forces all contribute to its military power. Next, consider economic power. It's the strength of a nation's wallet. It's the robustness of its economy, its financial reserves, its trade volume. Economic power allows a nation to wield influence through trade deals, investments, and sanctions. A strong economy also provides the resources to invest in military capabilities. Now imagine political power. It's the art of persuasion, the skill of diplomacy. It's about building alliances, shaping global agendas, and influencing decisions. Political power is what enables a country to make its voice heard in international forums and organizations. Then there's cultural power, or soft power. It's the allure of a nation's culture, its values, its social system. It's the worldwide popularity of Hollywood movies, the global appeal of democracy, the international admiration for human rights. Soft power attracts and influences others, not by force, but by attraction and persuasion. Technological power is the edge of innovation. It's about leading in fields like military technology, information technology, and scientific research. A country with advanced technological capabilities can gain a competitive edge and influence others. Geopolitical position, the strategic location of a country, also contributes to its power. A nation located near key resources or trade routes can wield significant influence. Finally, there are alliances and coalitions. These are partnerships formed with other states to enhance a country's power. They provide collective security, deter potential adversaries, and increase a nation's influence. In the end, it's crucial to remember that power in international relations is not static. It ebbs and flows with economic conditions, technological advancements, political developments, and many other factors. Power is also relative. A nation's power can only be understood in relation to the power of others. So, to recap, power in international relations is multifaceted. It can be military, economic, political, cultural, technological, geographical, or derived from alliances. Each type of power plays a unique role in shaping a nation's influence on the global stage. Understanding these different faces of power is crucial to comprehending the dynamics of international relations.